Hi friends! Today we are finishing our ABC adventure with the letters V till Z. Let's meet some more amazing animal friends. Are you ready? Let's go! V is for vulture, flying high above. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, shiny and bright. Y is for yak, with fur so long. Z is for zebra, with stripes of black and white. Friends, let's now say them all together. Are you ready? Let's go! V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra. Great job, friends. Great job. You did amazing again. And now you know the whole alphabet. Thank you so much for learning with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more animal fun.